What if I told you that the AI revolution everyone's talking about is actually being led by models so small they can run on your phone? While everyone's obsessing over ChatGPT and Claude, a silent army of tiny AI models is making early adopters millions. And the craziest part? Only 8% of companies have figured this out. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Samsung has 820 patents in this space, why the market is exploding to $306 billion, and exactly how you can position yourself in the 3 biggest tech trends of 2025 before everyone else catches on. Here's what big tech doesn't want you to know. While they're selling you on massive, expensive, cloud-based AI that costs thousands per month, there's a completely different game being played. It's called small language models, or SLMs, and they're about to make the current AI giants look like dinosaurs. Think about it. Why would you pay $20 a month for ChatGPT when you could run equally powerful AI directly on your device privately for free? Companies like Mistral, Phi2, and Tiny Llama are proving that smaller, smarter beats bigger and more expensive. But here's where it gets insane. Research shows that smaller models trained on larger, more diverse datasets often outperform their massive counterparts. We're talking about AI that uses 90% less energy, processes data in real time without internet, and costs practically nothing to run. Meanwhile, major enterprises are stuck paying millions for cloud AI solutions that can't even work offline. But smart companies? They're already pivoting. And they're not just saving money, they're building competitive advantages that their competitors can't touch. The numbers are staggering. By 2025, 152,200 IoT devices will be connecting to the internet every minute. Each one of these could potentially run its own AI brain. That's not just evolution, that's revolution. Let me show you exactly what's happening right now that most people are missing. First, Edge AI. This is AI that runs directly on the device generating the data, not in some distant cloud server. Manufacturing companies are using this for real-time quality inspection. Hospitals are using it for instant patient monitoring, and smart cities are using it to optimize traffic in milliseconds, not minutes. Second, blockchain plus AI integration. This isn't just crypto hype. We're talking about decentralized physical infrastructure networks where AI and blockchain work together to manage everything from data storage to autonomous vehicles. The global blockchain market is projected to hit $306 billion with a 58.3% growth rate. Third, the IoT explosion. By 2030, we'll have 29 billion connected devices, each one a potential edge AI node. Each one generating data and making decisions without human intervention. But here's the key insight everyone's missing. These 3 trends aren't separate. They're converging into something completely new. Let me give you some real examples of companies already winning. Semtech's LoRa division doubled their revenue year over year to $29 million by focusing on low-power, long-range IoT connectivity. While Cisco was dropping LoRaWAN products, Semtech was doubling down. Companies using AutoML, that's automated machine learning, are building AI models without needing PhD data scientists. Tools that used to require teams of experts now work with just a few clicks. In manufacturing, AI-powered predictive maintenance is reducing downtime by 50%. Siemens reported this exact number. That's not just efficiency, that's millions in saved costs. And in healthcare, IoT devices in hospitals reached 646 million in 2020. But by 2025, we're looking at virtual hospital wards where patients are monitored at home through smart sensors. That's a complete industry transformation. Here's why timing matters. We're in the early adopter phase right now. The companies moving fast on Edge AI, small language models, and IoT integration are building moats their competitors won't be able to cross. By 2030, the global connected device analytics market will reach $245.7 billion. That's a 23.2% compound annual growth rate. But the biggest gains always go to the early movers. And remember, we're still in September 2025. Most businesses are just starting to understand what's possible. You have a window of opportunity that won't last long. So here's what I want you to do right now. First, smash that like button if this opened your eyes to what's really happening in tech. Second, subscribe with notifications because I'm tracking these trends daily and you don't want to miss the next breakthrough. Third, comment below with which trend interests you most: Edge AI, small language models, or IoT integration. I'm planning deep dive videos on each one. And finally, if you're running a business and want to explore how these technologies could give you a competitive advantage, I've put together a free strategic guide. Link is in the description. The AI revolution isn't just about chatbots. It's about intelligent systems that work everywhere, use less energy, cost less money, and deliver better results. And it's happening right now. Don't just watch the future. Be part of building it.